name is Brawley Chisholm, and I'm here in Williamsburg, Brooklyn at Framebridge. And they do a wonderful job bringing your pictures to life. And in this picture right here, it's beautiful to me because first and foremost, my favorite athlete of all time is in the picture, Muhammad Ali. And Muhammad Ali inspires me because he set the bar, the standard of being great, the standard of never making excuses, to being the greatest athlete of all time. And he said it, and he stood by it. And also what he did for the culture. But what makes this picture even more beautiful to me is that my grandfather, Charles T. Hamilton, is standing right next to him, who was a New York State Assemblyman in Brooklyn from 1973 to 1975. So every time I see this picture in my living room, it inspires me to be the best I can be every single day. So thank you, Framebridge.